Lesson 16.
Sounds th and the, th and the, th and the. The sounds th and the are particularly difficult for the Indian learners and need a lot of continuous practice and care in their delivery. Description. Make these two sounds by the tip of the tongue very close to the cutting edge of the upper front teeth. Force the breath between them so that there is a definite or a prominent friction. For example, th, 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 the, th, the. Please repeat these words. Th, third, th, third, author, death, sin, their, father, then. Again, th, third, or th, death, sin, their, father, then, thank, thirst, thank, thirst, that, these, threat, threat, thorn, threat, thorn, than, theater, theater, theory, thunder, Thursday, thin, Thursday, thin. And here are a few sentences. Please repeat after me. 13 thieves were caught in a thunderstorm. 13 thieves were caught in a thunderstorm. You must thank them for their help. You must thank them for their help. Why don't you think of the thorns in the old thatch? Why don't you think of the thorns in the old thatch? That was in fact a thrilling story. That was in fact a thrilling story. They always thought that they were at the threshold of success. They always thought that they were at the threshold of success. The father of the author is a leather merchant. The father of the author is a leather merchant. The feather looked rather artificial. The feather looked rather artificial. The death of the fourth man made them wealthy. The death of the fourth man made them wealthy. Things that are brought from the north aren't worth a penny. Things that were brought from the north aren't worth a penny.